Hi, this is John with Learn Tutoring Services. We're bringing you another video for our Sunday series. Today I'm going to go through a trigonometry problem that we had with one of our students this week. So let's get started. Here is our problem. From the top of a 100-foot building, a man observes a car moving toward him. If the angle of depression of the car changes from 15 degrees to 33 degrees during the period of observation, how far does the car travel? All right, I am going to start by explaining angle of depression. The man is standing up here at the top of the building, so from where he is standing, horizontal is straight out, and his angle of depression is the angle formed from that horizontal down to, in this case, his line of sight. So this is the 15 degrees. As you can see, as the car moves towards him, that angle will change. So to start, we need to figure out how much the car traveled from this point here to this other point here. And I'm going to call that d sub t for total distance or distance traveled. Now, in order to find that, we first, using trigonometry, will have to figure out the total distance that the car is initially, which I will call d sub 1, and subtract from it the distance from the building to where the car is at the second observation. So from here, we can see that our distance traveled will equal d1, its initial position, minus d2. All right, so how do we go about doing that? Well, we first, and we're going to go back to our trigonometry days. We're going to create a triangle here, and from our horizontal, if you recall, these are now two parallel lines here, this first line up here and the bottom leg of our right triangle. They are parallel, so they're being cut by a transversal. This angle here is congruent to our angle inside of the triangle. This here is now 15 degrees. Therefore, our d1, the initial distance, using trigonometry, which we know the side opposite of the 15 degrees, and what we want is the side adjacent to it. So the tangent of 15 degrees is the opposite, which is 100 feet, over distance 1. Doing a little bit of algebra, d1 will equal 100 over the tangent of 15 degrees. All right, very good. I will now create a second triangle to the point where the car was or is after it has traveled. And again, using some of the geometry that we have known from before, this new angle here is 33 degrees. So this angle here is likewise 33 degrees. So our distant 2, using the same principle, the tangent of 33 degrees now is equal to the side opposite of that angle, which is 100 over d2, our second distance. So again, using some algebra, our d2 will equal 100 divided by the tangent of 33 degrees. So substituting in to our total distance here that we want to find, distance 1 is 100 over the tangent of 15 degrees minus d2, which is 100 degrees divided by the tangent of 33 degrees. Now for this, if you notice, I didn't calculate out our distances down over here because I want to try to avoid as much round off error as possible. So here I'm going to go to my calculator simulator. First, make sure that it is in degrees, and we will insert a fraction. So I have 100 divided by the tangent of 15 degrees, and from that I am going to subtract 100 divided by the tangent of 33 degrees. This way, doing it all in one step, I minimize the round off error. So we get a total distance of approximately 219.2 feet. Well, I hope that you enjoyed that. I have always found trigonometry very fascinating. This is another one of our Sunday series videos. Please join us on our Facebook or Instagram pages, and if you would like a specific problem, please let us know. Well, have a great week. Thank you.